So today we're going to talk about chimneys. Nothing major. We're just going to basically talk about taking pride in your work, a little workmanship quality, basically. The issue here is a small leak, nothing major. You can see the water right there, and you can see it's coming out from right in the corner, right there where there's a small crack. And basically where it's coming from is the other side here, where again it's open and absorbed water. Really what's come down to is just lack of taking pride in your work and taking a couple extra minutes to do a better quality job. I'll explain why. First of all, you can see the drag marks in here. That's where they use their fingers instead of using a trowel. They should have taped off the edges to give it a nice clean run just to make it look good. They didn't even make sure they got all the fiberglass embedded into the membrane, embedded into the cement. Just these little details that go into doing a job right and just taking 2 minutes to do a better quality job. So if you need anything, you know who to call.